ready to present an exciting new machine, the IMA ELAPAC Vegatronic 6000DZ. This continuous motion vertical bagging machine, is a real game changer in the market, as it boasts a lightning fast changeover technology. It boasts easy maintenance, and it boasts components that can be interchanged with the current range of Vegatronic 6000 machines. It can produce a wide range of pack styles, from doi pack to Quattro to pillow bags and more. So I bet you all can't wait to learn more about the new Vegatronic 6000DZ and to see it in action. And for this we have invited an expert that will guide us through all its features and demonstrate it live for us. So please welcome from IMA ELAPAC VFFS division, TSS manager Andrea Boccolini. Good morning, Andrea. I hand over the microphone and the stage, and the machine is all yours.
Thank you, Pietro, and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So yes, today we're going to talk about our new execution for the Vegatronic 6000DZ. So DZ stands for doi zipper, but in fact there is a large variety of packs that one can run on this continuous vertical form field seal machine. The machine in fact is capable to run traditional pillow bags, low bottom bags, quad bags with the four corner seals, both central back seal and offset back seal. Can run doi pack and three-set seal with and without reclosable zipper. So to be frank, this is not completely new on the market. There are already solutions similar to these continuous machines running such a wide variety of pack. But what is really new and game-changing on the market today is the changeover time. It's the system for the quad seals and the doi bottom seals, which is completely automatic. So basically, there's been big innovation in this machine with a big focus on the TCO, total cost of ownership. The changeover time on this machine is less than 10 minutes when you move from one pack size to another pack size, and it's less than 20 minutes, which is amazing when you switch from one pack style to another pack style. And this is thanks to a new innovative system fitted at the back of the machine to form the quad back corner seals and the doi pack bottom seals with fully servo-driven system. So basically, when the operator switches from one recipe to another recipe, from one SKU to a next SKU, the system gets fully automatically adjusted at the back. And everything is necessary to do is changing the film reel at the back of the machine and the forming tube. When you switch also from pillow to doi or from doi to quad, you need to change the forming tube, you need to change the film reel and the horizontal and vertical pack seal. But again, this is really fast, less than 20 minutes changeover. Like all ELAPAC vertical baggers, this is an open frame machine, again to minimize the downtimes for changeover, for maintenance procedure and sanitation. And this is thanks to a great accessibility to all the machine components. The control platform on this machine is based on MNR platform, and this is something unique too. So the multi-head system, the printer system, the control, the check weigher system also can all be integrated in the bagger HMI. The operator can run the bagger from the main HMI fitted there or from any mobile devices like a tablet, laptop or a smartphone. And there are a number of tutorial videos loaded in the control systems, so to make it easier for the operator to walk around the machine and see the different procedures for changing over. As I said, switching from one SKU to the next SKU, the complete systems gets automatically adjusted. So the operator just needs to set up the new recipe on the main bagger HMI or on his mobile device, and the new recipe gets adjusted and loaded automatically on the multi-head weigher, on the check weigher and the printer, and again with the focus to minimize the changeover time. At the show today, we are running a recyclable plastic film. This is mono P film, but the machine is ready to run a variety of new sustainable materials like compostable, biodegradable, or paper-based recyclable, or plastic-based recyclable, thanks to innovative sealing solutions that have been developed to be ready to run, to make the machine as flexible as possible, ready to new packaging materials, and thanks to a servo-driven system for the seal carriage to get very high sealing pressure, again, to cope with new challenging materials. Last but not least, at the show this year, we are taking a new release for our multi-head weighers. In fact, Ilapa can turnkey the complete packaging line with the bagging machine and the weigher system, so as a single manufacturing partner. And this is a great point because Ilapa can be accountable for the complete system, again, taking care of the bagging system and the weighing system. Thank you, everybody.